Now, fighters from the region and the United States gathered inside the National Arena on Sunday for the inaugural staging of the Ultimate Taekwondo Championships. And according to the head of the local organization, it was a resounding success.
With athletes as young as 6 years old taking the mat, the 2024 Ultimate Taekwondo Championships got off to a flying start. According to the president of the Jamaica Taekwondo Association, Master Arthur Burrows, the tournament set a number of expectations which they met and exceeded.
The purpose of this championship was to improve the umpiring, so we have improved the rules a bit, the quality of the umpires and the quality of the championship in terms of what they do. So for the first staging, what we have is electronic registering. We have the YouTube channel that is up and running, even presently it's up and running, so that's also good. And the athletes are adopting to the new rules, or adjusted rules, which is international standard. So definitely those criteria are met. The numbers have exceeded our expectations. So yes, it's a good championship so far.
Master Burrows says with most of the top fighters in the country participating as umpires during the tournament, the aim is to improve their awareness of the new rules, so when they take part in international tournaments, it will improve their chances of success.
What we have in our space is that we have Class A, Class B umpires which are trained internationally that participate in the World Championship and the World Cup. Locally, we have Class C umpires, which are mostly our athletes who don't wish to umpire. So those are the target persons who we wish to improve. So when they compete, they need to know the rules because it improves their competition also. So this staging, we had the black belt categories first, and then those Class C umpires came into the ring after they competed and are now actually helping with the judging. So definitely that is a success also for the championship.
Meanwhile, chairperson of the championships, Anique Brown, says the Jamaican fighters represented well and were grateful for the international competition that they faced.
We are doing well. They have put up a fight. The Jamaicans were very excited to have the overseas participation and the regional participation. They were very excited about it, especially the black belters, the men in particular, because they got more of it. The women didn't get much of that in the black belt division. It was just straight Jamaicans in the female division. However, they were very appreciative of the external competitors.
With the successful staging of the 2024 edition now behind them, Brown says the aim is to make it a biennial tournament.
We're looking more ahead for 2026 because the plan is to have this every 2 years, right? So next year in 2025, the Jamaica Taekwondo Association will, instead of hosting a regional championship, we will now host our regular championship locally here for our participants within the martial arts fraternity. But for 2026, we're looking to have a bigger and better championship with more overseas participation and, of course, more sponsors coming on board as well.
Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.
All right, let's head into